What's up YouTube? Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be doing a detailed video on all the accessories I have installed on my 2024 Ninja ZX4RR, followed by a short ride. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. ZX4RR is a race-ready track sports bike and is currently the fastest 400 money can buy. As much as it is fun to ride on the track, it is equally fun to commute in the city. So let's begin and let me show you all the accessories I have installed so far. Stay tuned. The windscreen or the windshield is from PUIG. It is a racing windscreen and is made specifically for the 4RR. The windscreen sits higher than the stock and improves the overall aerodynamic performance of the bike. Basically, the wind that used to hit the upper body and the helmet is now deflected, reducing the pressure on my shoulders. PUIG is an excellent brand from Spain that makes top quality motorcycle accessories. The shade of this screen from PUIG is dark smoke. There are 7 color options to choose from, and the reason I chose this one is visibility and also the look. It doesn't fully restrict my visibility and yet has that cool dark shade that contrasts really nicely with the Kawasaki green. These Swingarm spools are locally made by Dynamic Riders Hyderabad. Next accessory is something I believe to be a must-have for all sports bikes. These frame sliders are from RNG, another popular brand in the motorcycle world, and these guys make the best-in-class crash protection accessories. These are specifically designed for the ZX4RR frame, and what stands out about these sliders is that these are made from de-embrittled high tensile steel bolts, which are designed to bend on impact rather than shear or snap. Next on the list is the fork protector or the axle slider. These are also from PUIG. For some reason, they do not have a branding on this part. Very weird. Anyways, super important to have this accessory also because they protect your forks, fork bottoms, and brake calipers during a crash. So this one accessory will protect all of those extremely costly parts. So makes absolute sense to have one of these. I'm still using the stock rear view mirrors even though I have a new pair of blade type mirrors that I will cover later. The reason I did not change them is because I want to fix a mount to these mirrors and attach my Action 4 or Pocket 3 to it and capture a different angle. I've also removed the rear fender and installed a tail tidy. This accessory is purely for looks and there is no practical benefit except for some weight reduction. That's it. In fact, the downside of having a tail tidy, especially in the monsoon season, is that it gets really dirty after every ride. Having said that, I can live with having to clean the bike every day than having an ugly, heavy plastic hanging out. I'm planning to get a PPF wrapped to the bike in a few days. What I noticed is that the possibility of getting this frame scratched or damaged because of the gravel on the road is very high. Also, the paint, this Kawasaki green, is so unique that it will be difficult to find something in the open market if there is any damage. So yeah, more to come on the PPF in the next video. For now, let me show you guys some unique security accessory I have installed on this bike. No, I'm not referring to the Ninja Turtle keychain, but that remote. This is an alarm system and works like a theft alarm system. Once the bike is locked, I press the lock button to activate this alarm. This is a confirmation sound that the system is now activated. Now if someone tries to sit on the bike or move it, the alarm goes off. And yeah, it's very loud. A super helpful gadget, this one, especially if you live in an apartment like I do, where kids or others are likely to touch your bike or sit on it. I picked this up from Amazon in the US, but I'm sure it's available in India too, but at a slightly higher cost. So that's about all the accessories I have installed so far. A few more pending in my list that I'll update later. But for now, let's take this bad boy for a quick spin around the city. Since a couple of you asked, let me tell you that I shoot all my videos with DJI Osmo Action 4 or DJI Pocket 3, and I use DJI Mic 2 for all my audio. Though I'm far from getting sponsored by DJI, I will say this: they make some of the best video and audio gear, better than GoPro and Insta360 in my opinion. Maybe I'll do a detailed video on my gear in the future. If you know Hyderabad, you probably know where I am. This is Kukatpalli to High Tech City Road. This is my everyday route that I use for going to office. Pretty crowded roads all week, but believe me when I say the ZX4RR is super easy to ride in such traffic conditions too. In bumper to bumper traffic on a hot day, the engine gets very hot, but the heat is managed so efficiently that you won't feel the heat anywhere near your body. I'm currently riding in the sports mode. In this setting, I get the fast acceleration and pick up across gears. The bike currently generates 77 bhp. To increase this even further, there are three changes needed. One is a full system exhaust, second is a performance air filter, and the final mod would be a valve delete. So I got all these plans, but not sure when I will see them through. However, I believe if we take it one mod at a time, we will eventually get there. Like I said, next video it will be a PPF job video. Can't wait to get the bike wrapped. Until then, ride safe and stay strong. This is your riding brother, Deccan Rider, signing off. See you in the next one. Cheers.